Clara, I heard that we have to subscribe to a Punchout catalogue, but I don't know how to do that.
Don't worry, Ben. I'll show you how it works step by step. First, go to Network in the menu and then to Products and Services.
Okay, I'm now on the Products and Services page.
Very good. Now find the Punchout catalog you want to subscribe to. If you only know the supplier, go to Network Companies. There you will find the catalog on the supplier's company page. Open the Punchout catalog's detail page and click on Subscribe to Catalog.
I clicked on Subscribe to Catalogue. What now?
Now, an assistant will open to guide you through the subscription process. Just follow the instructions on the screen. The assistant will guide you through several steps. It is important that you have an active business relationship with the supplier and that you have published the corresponding content profile.
Okay, the business relationship is active. What's next?
Now select the content profile for the catalog check and the responsible buyer. If you want to use the Punchout catalog in multiple countries, you must fill in the information for each country. When the wizard is completed, the requested connections are automatically created and the users involved are notified. All further processing steps take place in the connection.
I did it! I subscribed to the Punchout catalog.
Well done, Ben. The connections are created and now just need to be completed with the necessary information. The assistant automatically ensures that the responsible employees are informed.
Thanks, Clara. That was really helpful.
You're welcome, Ben. I hope your Punchout catalog is a success.